Try and say N with me, and then you will feel the tongue is hitting a certain point. So when you're saying N, this is your tongue end point where you're not go further with your tongue, so to speak. So say N, and we're swallowing this saliva up. So basically, while we are swallowing, we are creating this vacuum and we are pulling the tongue up. Try to smile a little bit up and keep the tongue at the roof of your mouth. Suck everything in to create truly a vacuum, which looks like this. So we are connecting everything we just done with the tongue with our body. We are tilting once we did the N, the swallowing, the slight smile, and the vacuum. We are tucking the chin in. This is the perfect mewing position, which you can hold throughout the day. You can hold this, and in itself, it's already an exercise. Now we mastered the first step, let's make it an exercise. While we are pressing the tongue against of the roof of our mouth, we are placing one hand under our chin and creating resistance with our other fist. Pressing with the tongue against the roof of our mouth, what we just did. And this hand right here presses against to create resistance. So once you're pressing and you feel this tension coming, you're pressing against it. Let's do this 30 times together. And relax. You should definitely feel it right here. The muscle is definitely engaging, and this is one of the exercises actually in the All You Can Face app called the double chin kill, because doing this regularly will firm this area right here. Just make sure while you're doing any pose to keep your chest open, your shoulders relaxed, and breathe evenly, and everything else in the face is relaxed as well. For everyone who actually is not able to do this tongue suction posture for whatever reason, you can still work with the tongue and do a certain exercise which will strengthen this area right here. And there are several of them. And we're gonna do 3. We are placing our hands right on our collarbones, pull our neck up, and then start going slowly with our tongue from one side to the other. And come out of the pose. Whew. Next thing are the roundabouts. Let's do 5 in one direction and then 5 in the other. And release. Do this as a counter movement just to release the entire tension. You see how everything also started to become a little bit more red because we increased blood circulation. This is an amazing hack. Lastly, but not least, another thing you can do is actually doing tongue circles at the cheek right here. So we are pressing with our tongue against our cheek and do little circles. Let's do 3 in one direction, 3 in the other, and then the other side. And relax. Try to do each side for a minute and you will absolutely feel it. And you will also see this part right here engage. You will stretch the tongue from the inside. And again, an amazing technique to work on your jawline and an alternative to mewing and activating this area right here. Now, as a last step, I'm putting on some gloves to be more hygienic. You can do that also with your hands, but make sure to utterly clean your hands. So we're pressing our thumbs right here. And then we're going in that motion right like this. And then we are holding and we are pulling slightly our teeth out. And release. And you can do it really like after brushing your teeth, go in and massage this area right out. This is everything you should actually know when it comes to mewing, and some techniques alternatively to get this chiseled jawline. And if you're really interested in this topic, we've created an entire app around face yoga. So we're not only working on this, we're working on our posture, we're working on our forehead, on our under eyes, on our cheeks, and on our jaw. You can try it out for an entire week for free and then decide whether this is something for you or not. With that being said, I'm so grateful to have you on this channel. It means the world to me if you subscribe, if you find this interesting, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful rest of your day.